Hello, my name is Isabella and I made the game called AUblox. As you can see here, there are a couple of things you can play with. Like for example, you could go over to get items over here to help you on your way to the top of the tower. Click the screen to use them. Some of them can, and then you can get to the top of the tower quicker and more efficiently, or you can walk up. Not really specific which one is correct, but there's one right here which can tell you a bit about the sun by the by some of the by some satellite data. Then the most recent one specifically about the temperature and what it does for the Earth and its magnetic field. I inspired off the portal of those there's a portal that can help you get the time. Like you could teleport to the sun basically because the two magnetic fields combine. So I inspired off the portal off of that. And then after that, last thing you can do is you can play around and you can, earlier in the game, you could see something that says HD admin, which will also help get up to the top of here, and then you can just play around with it. For example, if you want to do this, like to make yourself invisible, or do something, mess around with the physics of the Earth, anything, you can do that as well. Goodbye.
All right. That was good. You can just stop. I'll do it.
Okay, bye.
And then I'll do mine. I'll be like, hi, I'm Isabella's dad. All I did for this project was hardly anything. She's never used Roblox Studio before. I've used it once to add a small US script for her to remember some trig ratios she hadn't done for a while. For this project, she wanted to add the portal functionality for the Flux transfer events. Yes. And so the starting part of that was rather simple.
Just doing
she had already created the a mesh clear transparent object, and then I just added some code to that to trigger the data from NASA. This particular version doesn't have the actual data flowing in. We had some difficulty with the API, so we actually had to parse the raw data and then turn that into a series of events. So, but that's the part that I added. And then in addition to that, we added some images, and we created an API tied into OpenAI that will generate those images in real time based on the data. So, but that's not in this demo. So that's it. So thanks a lot, and we hope you have fun. Her main objective was for people to have fun, so that was my objective also. And while they're having fun, they get a chance to learn a little something about
the sun,
Flux transfer events
And the
in the
sun.
sun, which is kind of amazing.
Goodbye.
And we can edit that and then we'll publish it so that we have something in case.
Also, the
Nothing gets
AUblox is for the atomic unit.
Actually, it's astrological unit.
Astrological unit.
Atomic unit is for
Astrological
for
unit.
elements. Yeah.